Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove songs from Instagram posts. So if you want to remove a particular song from your Instagram post, here is a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Instagram app on your phone. Once you open it, tap on the profile icon, then tap on the profile you want to remove the song. So just tap on this. You can see this particular post right here has a songs being pinned to it. So if I want to remove the songs, I'll just tap on the three dots icon right in front of the profile name. Tap on this, then scroll a little bit down, then tap on partner, label and art. Tap on it, then you make sure you toggle on this hard paid partnership label. Tap on it, then tap on done, and this will automatically remove the songs on the Instagram profile. And that's how to remove songs on Instagram profile. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe for more. Thank you.